Hey guys, I'm at my school. Look at these. 3 of them stuck. I actually tried to buy one to get one to go through. This is at my school vending machines. Ben, I know you'll love these. These are cool. Let's see if I can shake them. There you go. There's 2. And then there's 1 still stuck on the edge. Well, I mean, I guess I am getting the 2. Let's take these out. I'm gonna see if I can get the other ones real quick, guys. Put those there. Let's see if I can get this other one. I can get it. I swear I can. I can get this, guys. I think I can. Yeah, it's stuck. Okay, that'll be it. Alright, I was able to get the 3rd one out. Let's see. The vendor on these machines doesn't do good well. I don't know why it's sticking out, but that's getting 3 popcorns from the machine that you can see right there. Like, they can easily get stuck. But that's it.